In this video, I will show you exactly how to integrate the powerful Claude Code Assistant into your PyCharm. To get started, you first need to make sure that your PyCharm installation is up to date, because the newest plugin features require the latest stable version of the software. Once you have opened your project, navigate your way to the Settings menu and look for the Plugins section on the left sidebar. In the Marketplace tab, search for the official Anthropic Claude extension or a reliable third-party wrapper like Continue, which allows you to connect to the Claude API. After clicking Install and restarting your IDE, you will need to provide your unique API key, which you can generate from the Anthropic Developer Console. I recommend setting your billing limits first so you can experiment freely without worrying about unexpected costs. With the plugin active, you can now highlight any block of code and press the designated shortcut to ask Claude for improvements or bug fixes. It can help you document complex functions or even generate unit tests based on your existing logic. Just remember to review every suggestion carefully before merging it into your main branch. Happy coding!